Is your Honda CRV making a knocking sound? Let's dive into the reasons why this happens. First up, low-quality fuel can cause pre-ignition, leading to that metallic knock. Next, carbon buildup on pistons and valves increases compression, resulting in engine pinging. Don't forget about faulty spark plugs. Worn or mismatched ones can misfire and create that ticking sound. Engine oil issues are crucial too. Low or dirty oil can cause internal friction. And timing problems? Incorrect ignition timing can trigger knocking even with good fuel. Quick tips. Always use high-quality fuel with the recommended octane. Regularly clean your intake valves and injectors to keep things running smoothly. Replace your spark plugs every 30,000 to 40,000 kilometers for optimal performance. And keep your oil and filters fresh to avoid issues. Fix these problems early to protect your CRV's engine. Follow for more quick car care tips.